So today we're going to be cleaning out the mass airflow sensor for this 2017 Toyota Corolla. Also applies for the 2014 to 2019. Right over here is the mass airflow sensor. It's connected to the airbox. After it filters out the air and it flows back into the throttle body or the engine, the mass airflow sensor is going to detect how much air or how fast the air is going to be moving through, and then it'll just let the computer or ECU know how much fuel to mix with it. So in order to clean it out, we have some mass airflow sensor cleaner, but first we need to remove that right there. Let's go ahead and get a Phillips screwdriver and take it out. So we're just going to unplug the sensor right over here. All you need to do is take some pliers or your finger, and you're going to press down up top here in the center and just pull out the plug. And right there it's already disconnected. And then we're just going to take two bolts, those two silver bolts right there, or two silver screws. We're going to take it apart with the electric screwdriver. There's one, there's two, so two of those. And then we're just going to pull out the mass airflow sensor, and there it is. Where we're going to be spraying is this little metal filament right there. We're just going to spray that with some mass airflow sensor cleaner, and then we'll reinstall it. So in order to clean it, we're going to use the CRC mass airflow sensor cleaner. It comes with a red straw, so you're going to hook it up to the nozzle, and you're going to just spray down the sensor itself. So all you need to do is just take the spray and just spray through right here, directly at that metal filament that I was just showing you guys earlier. Same thing here. Spray the other side. And you want to spray it a few times just so it cleans itself through. And then you're going to let it dry for a few minutes. You don't really want to wipe directly on the metal, but you can just wipe the plastic if you want to, like I'm doing. But I give it a few sprays. You don't even have to use the whole bottle, just a little bit. And from there, you just let the thing dry itself. So that's pretty much what we kind of sprayed through. So you're gonna try to get rid of any dust particles that are sitting on the sensor itself. All right, it's been a few minutes. It's pretty much bone dry at this point. I'm gonna take the sensor and I'm just gonna put it back in the airbox. So you just put it back the way you took it out. You just gotta line up the screws. And all I'm gonna do now is just screw them back together. So you put one screw part way in, and we're going to screw the other side. And then once both are in, you just put the plug back in. And that's how you clean out the mass airflow sensor for the 2017 Toyota Corolla. At this point, you can go ahead and start the car. It might have a high idle or just kind of have a low idle. Just give it a few minutes drive and it should just normalize. So that's how you do it. That's how you clean out your mass airflow sensor for the 2017 Corolla. Thanks for watching and have a good one.